So we're going to be making actually a kind of a almost a hummus, but we're going to be making it with white cannellini beans. Now these are just regular beans which have been drained to get the salt off. So I'm going to put these into the blender now. I'm going to put the beans, okay, some lemon zest, this actually is a really just on its own, aside from what we're going to be doing with it now on this pita bread. Is actually a yummy, yummy, yummy dip. Lemon juice. Now tahini is sesame paste. Okay. And these are just half a teaspoonful of cumin seeds. Right, so this is nearly done. All right, I'm just going to give it a, yeah, it just needs a little bit longer. Because you want it to be as smooth as you can. And this is a tiny, I mean, I kind of love this, it's small though.